In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your card to PayPal. By the end, you'll have your card ready to use for quick and secure payments, and you'll know exactly what to look out for along the way. First, open your web browser and go to paypal.com. If you're prompted to sign in, do that to reach your account summary page. From there, head to the Wallet section. This is where PayPal keeps your payment methods and where you can add a new one. Inside Wallet, look for the option that says Link a Card and select it. This brings up a form where you'll enter your card details. Type in the full card number exactly as it appears, choose the expiration month and year, and enter the 3 or 4-digit security code, sometimes called the CVV. Next, add the billing address for that card. This must match what your bank has on file. Take a moment to include any apartment or unit numbers. Make sure the city, state, or region and zip or postal code are correct. And use the exact spelling your bank uses. Small mismatches can cause verification issues. Before you continue, double-check every field. Make sure there are no extra spaces, that the expiration date is current, and that the security code is accurate. When everything looks right, click Link Card to submit. PayPal will process your information. If you see a spinner or a brief loading screen, that's normal. In some cases, your bank may ask for an extra confirmation step, like a one-time code. If that appears, simply follow the on-screen prompts to complete verification. If an error occurs, recheck your digits, confirm the billing address matches your bank record, and ensure your card is enabled for online or international purchases. Once the card is successfully added, you'll see it listed in your wallet. That means it's ready to use for purchases through PayPal. At checkout, you can choose this card as your funding source, and PayPal will handle the transaction securely. A couple of notes to keep in mind. Sometimes PayPal places a small temporary authorization to verify the card. This isn't a charge and typically disappears from your statement within a few days. If you're using a debit card, make sure you have a small amount of available balance to allow that verification to go through. And that's it. You've linked your card to PayPal, and you're ready to shop, subscribe, or send payments with confidence. If you ever need to update details in the future, you can return to the Wallet section and make changes there. Thanks for watching, and happy checkout.